Hello and welcome. This is Coach Yuze. This is Coach Yuze, your driving coach for this video, and I will share from my own experience being a driver in North America for some years now. So these techniques or ideas or skills that I share, or ideas or tips, will go a long way in helping you become an effective driver. It might help you with your road test. So basic thing is to understand that it's a great idea to be a careful driver, to be careful, like as in being defensive, being a defensive or a careful or watchful driver. Vision is the most important thing. So we have those mirrors on the sides, the mirror, and we have a back view, rear view mirror, front mirror, and we have the whole front part to look at. The roads where you are going, and the sides too. So I'll take this trip and we'll kind of discuss as we go. Don't brake too hard. Stay centered in your lane. Centered means look off in the distance if it's a long road, and then try to be in the center, middle part of your lane, the lane that you're driving in. And just being calm if it's your exam day or road test day. Just breathing, relaxing, and doing your homework in that you've had practiced enough. Practice, practice, and practice. It goes without saying that practice goes a long way. And steer gently. Press on the brakes or gas when required. On the brakes gently, on the gas in a sustained manner. Gentle, sustained. With seat belts on, obviously. Looking ahead. Occasionally looking in the